In this video, I will show you how to find your scheduled post on your Facebook page. Let me show you how. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Facebook. Next thing you need to do is to visit your page. So click on here to visit your page. On getting to your page, next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down, all the way down, and make sure you click on Manage Post. Under the Manage Post right here, you will see all the posts that you have been scheduled from the top right here. Then you can simply click on the Schedule Post. Here, you can edit or delete the scheduled post. Click on here, and you have different options right here. You can delete, you can edit post, you can comment on your post, create rem, or copy the scheduled post link. It's that simple. Basically, this is how to find your scheduled post on Facebook. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about Facebook topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you in the next video. Bye for now.